Dad, may I ask where we are right now?
I don't know.
I don't know. This is. Oh my god. Guest parking, I think, is here. Oh my god. Alright, let's go to the right. Here. VIP hotel guests. Always the motorbikes are in the basement. In the bottom.
The basement.
Let's go.
Hello, guys.
Hello, magandang umaga, everyone. Good morning. Today we are in
My house.
our house, guys.
Our house.
I hope you like it.
Our house.
We're gonna make a home tour. Today we are in Okada and I'm quite excited since a lot of people in the comments told me you should go to Okada. It's pretty fun. It's pretty huge. I don't know if this is a shopping mall or a hotel. I don't really know. I think we have to go upstairs because in this floor is the casino. There's a pretty huge casino. Whoa. Welcome to my house, my friends. Oh my god. Wow, it's so dark. It's also so quiet. There is
Yeah.
the casino.
This is Manila or this is Dubai?
This is on the casino or
This is casino.
Sorry sir, but your backpack is not allowed inside.
the backpack?
Yes.
Oh my god, this looks actually like a palace. Huh? What do you...
Wow, look this with the.
I love it. I love the decoration. Also, like, wow, it's soft.
Wow, it's amazing.
How are you?
It's for cocktails. This.
Yes, sir.
But we don't have time. We have 5 minutes to make a video. In afternoon.
Maybe later we're gonna take a
¿Cómo se llama en
Okay.
Tagalog por la tarde?
And umagan, I think it's in Tagalog.
Umaga
How do you
o
say
Umaga.
afternoon?
umaga? Afternoon.
Hapon.
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 No, because morning is umaga,
Right.
afternoon, then we call it sometimes tanghali.
Tanghali.
Tanghali, and then the hapon is the like 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's a noon time, like
You don't call it later gabi or something like that?
later evening.
Evening.
Gabi. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. And you have the view to all the swimming pool. I think it's kind of a spa, alright? So yeah, it's kind of cool. You have the palm trees here. I think this is the song, right?
I think this is for show, for spectacle.
Maybe at evenings they are making shows or something. So I love the decoration, how you feel here. It's a good ambient, you know? You have dispenser for water if you want
Yeah.
here. It's completely free. You
For
go come in.
every corner, we see this.
For every customer in every corner, you have this water. You can take your glass and you got it.
In Spain, this is with beer, not water. This is the rooms of customers?
Yes, sir. This is the cabana.
The cabana.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the room. Good for 12 bucks.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Just the life like
There
that.
is true.
Oh, yeah, it look my home. My home is the same.
Yes, sir. And then in the shower area.
Ah, this is a shower.
Yes.
Only the shower. It look my house is like this. How big? Wow.
Look, I think the toilet can talk to you also.
They have a different channel.
Ah, with this you can control the...
Yes.
The TV. Ah, this is the okay.
With the tablet you can control the room also?
No, sir.
No?
Only the TV.
Only the TV.
Yeah. That is the color.
Oh,
The ceiling.
wow. And this is
The cabana.
the premium. Wow.
This is the premium one? Oh my god, the impression is so...
The aircon always it's working.
Yes, sir.
It's kind of cool here. We have the bathroom here. The closet.
Closet, of course.
This is basically the same room.
Yes, the same.
Wow.
So we have extension
More bigger.
for the
Yeah.
dining area.
And
Wow.
the TV is the same measure or...
Yeah, 55. I think in all the rooms it's 55. Wow, this is the food area.
I love it that it's all covered. There's a cover everywhere. So don't matter where you are, it's not gonna get you the rain. Ah, this
It's
is the big fountain.
big fountain. No?
Yeah, at 6 p.m. they told it's like a show, no? Oh, guys, listen to this. These sculptures are made with chocolate. All right, this is a dessert. You know you see the textures here, how it's made. It's a little bit cracked. You could see that.
Wow, all this is sugar, all this is sweet.
The design is just amazing. All right, I would say that it's wonderful, very creative. They put this little bus with macarons. To make this is not easy, right? It's pretty complicated. All of this is made with chocolate, right?
It's a piece of cake.
Maybe.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, we just stopped in Fridays, alright? We just want to take a quick lunch. We ordered a lot of things that you are seeing now in your screens. I think it's gonna be so delicious. I was afraid of the size of the burger, but in the end it's not bad actually. It looks good. Now the moment of truth. Wow. You see that? The point of the meat is just that, it's just good. It's medium rare. Just gonna give a quick bite. Wow. The meat is smoky, also so juicy. You can feel all the ingredients. Oh my god, I miss so much a hamburger like that. And what can you say about your ribs?
I feel like a Flintstone. To be yabba yabba doo.
We have this sauce that it's kind of a garlic with cheese, I think. It's so delicious.
Chip.
Also some chips with the wings. Wow, it's so powerful, the flavor of garlic. And the texture is also criminal, guys. Wow. We're gonna try this with garlic parmesan wings. Wow, how it smells, huh?
It's awesome.
Wow.
It's the best wing.
I really appreciate. You can feel the parmesan so much. You feel it. What is a good meal without a dessert? And that's what we came for.
Look at my face. After the way I eat,
It's happy now.
all my energy, all my happiness in the world is coming to us. We eat very well, and we are decide to
To take a dessert, all
take a
right.
dessert in the special place. We love this place.
It's
Look
actually
at that, guys. There.
yes. Go.
Wow, this is like wow.
All right, this is mine.
Wow, this is
Thank you.
the wheels on my bike.
I ordered a hazelnut. It's a supreme roll. That's the name. I think it's filled up with hazelnut with chocolate. And this one looks actually so good. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat this. I'm gonna cut it in half, and I am so excited about the dessert of my father. I don't know what you ordered.
No, we're not finished with your dessert. Why?
Okay.
It's
so
very
big.
huge. It's big.
No matter. I eat a lot. I don't know. how I'm
You think
supposed-
you're gonna finish this?
I think. I hope so.
Look, look my the wheel of Honda. My
The wheel of a camion.
Let's see.
I'm gonna cut it. It has this, in Spanish is hojaldre, okay? It's kind of fluffy.
Okay.
I have this chocolate cover and this cream that I think it's with hazelnut also. So let's gonna cut it.
That and the
Better.
spicy. No.
Wow. Oh my god. I don't know what it's inside. Let's gonna cut it deeply here. Oh my days. Oh
Ah.
my days.
What, you have something in this? Wow.
Wow.
No puedo creer. I don't believe. What is this?
I think
Cheese,
it's
no cheese, something sweet or
it's
chocolate.
cream of chocolate.
Tasty?
Yeah, it smells like in Spanish colacao. Let's gonna try. It's chocolate cream.
Wow.
Wow.
And then
That's
why
so
you buy?
lovely.
Look at me. Look what I buy. It look Raul what I buy. Look,
Mmm.
look the difference.
Oh, be careful.
Wow.
How is that? So good, huh? I'm gonna try it out.
I think it deserve all the money.
Wow. Look the cream.
But no.
Wow. Wow. Honestly, my father said this is so huge for me, but after that bite, I would say I will eat 2 or 3 of these. I swear, cause the mass is also soft. It's like a croissant, and also the chocolate is so good. It's filled up with so much cream.
The chocolate is soft.
It's soft. It's not that
so
sweet.
delicious.
It's liked. All right. Oh, it's so delicious. Actually, it's
Deserve the money.
all
But
deserved.
it's a little bit expensive. Yeah.
Actually, I don't know how it is. It's like
I need a
To-
credit card.
I think it's 250. The hazelnuts roll that it's like €5, something like that. So it's kind of good price for the quality and the quantity they give you. Wow, just incredible. What about yours? Well, guys, this is the end. Woo. We are going home now.
End of this day, the wonderful day.
Wonderful day, tiring in the same time.
We are tired. It's raining.
So we hope we are gonna get home with no problems. And I hope you like this adventure. If it's so, leave a like, subscribe, and leave your ideas in the comments, because you see, if you leave your ideas, we take it and we do it. All right, we listen to you.
complete it.
Yeah, we complete it. We listen to you. And so don't be afraid of leaving your ideas in the comments, and hope you like it. Burger.